napaka-importante ng sinabi ni NBI Director Matibag kahapon, no? Na kung tinanong siya kung anong level of confidence niya na kung meron ba talagang taong kinausap ang Vice Presidente para paslangin ng Presidente. Ang sagot niya, 100%. Sure, there is. No? So, again, they're pursuing leads. And this is now just for the purpose of identifying that person. Pero wala nang question kung meron ba talagang ganitong taong kinausap. No? At I think ang pinakamahalaga, no, naging nailahad kahapon ng NBI Director ay hindi na ito usapan lang na viral statement. No? Napakaseryoso na ng usapan na to. Tulad ng nasabi niya, kapag kinonsidera yung totality of circumstances, maliwanag na talagang merong aktibong threat against the life of the president. At hindi lang nanggaling sa isang tao, nanggagaling sa isang pamilya. Kaya nga sinabi pa niya, binalikan nila, pati yung naging mga pahayag ng Davao Mayor Baste Duterte na pareho dun sa sinabi ng Vice Presidente dito sa kaso na to, which is, sabi nila, gusto namin ng isang ulo lamang, ulo ng Presidente. No? Na inihambing dun sa naging statement ng Vice Presidente na she was imagining cutting off the head of the President. Oh. So, napaka halaga ho nito. No? Dahil nakikita natin, tulad ng sinabi kanina, yes, the statement itself is shocking. No? It is unacceptable just by itself. Pero pag tinignan natin totality circumstances, mas nakakabahala na ang premier investigative body ng ating bansa ay kinukonsider ito na napakaseryoso na actual, continuing, persisting threat, no, against the president. At dahil dyan, nagiging usapin na to ng pangbansang seguridad. No? So, tingin namin napaka-importante pa rin naging testimonya niya kahapon.
In addition to that, I think what we can say po siguro is that we agree with Attorney Jay, no? Everyone's entitled to their own opinions, pero for the prosecution at least, we have to consider that this was a very substantial witness. They were able to, Director Matibag was presented and was able to piece together yung evidence. Maalala po natin yung mga first two witnesses ng prosecution, ang mga their testimony was really more on the threat itself, or you know, as they would say, at least yung pahayag niya, those words that were mentioned. But with the testimony of Director Matibag, we now have the institutional picture po, no, of how the NBI treated the statement. And so I think now we have put in the open court yung legal implications po, no, or how the NBI assessed the same. So I think that in itself was a very big part of the testimony.